Every school year tells a story. This year, the KPN English program wrote one filled with growth, achievement, laughter, and unforgettable experiences. It all began at the end. A hall filled with applause, proud hearts, and shining certificates. But those awards, they didn't appear by magic. No, they were earned through a year of courage, laughter, and learning that stretched far beyond the classroom walls. To understand those victories, we must travel back to the bustling city of Bangkok. There, at the Central Region English Skills Open House, our young ones stood tall. Voices steady, hearts brave, ready to show everyone what they could do. And before that grand stage, there was Ratchaburi, the Zone B Open House, where confidence first bloomed, and where our students learned that courage grows one challenge at a time. But life isn't only about competition. Sometimes, it's about shining in your own way, and shine they did at the EP Talent Showdown. Singing, dancing, acting. Some performances made people laugh, and others made them clap. It was a showdown filled with our students' immense talents. Then came the great adventure of English camp. The fresh air, the games, the teamwork. That's where friendships grew stronger and where learning felt a little less like school and a little more like joy. And just when they thought the year couldn't get any grander, they crossed seas to the bright city of Singapore. New sights, new cultures, new memories, captured in 1,000 photos and stored forever in the heart. Back home, the mind games continued. At Battle of the Brains, there were thinking faces so serious, you'd think they were solving the mysteries of the universe. But oh, how proud they made us. And of course, the classroom, where ideas were born, mistakes were welcomed, and English became more than a subject. It became a voice, their voice. Behind every moment of this journey stood a team. None of this year happened because of one person. It happened because of all of them. There were long days, big challenges, and proud wins, and they faced every one of them side by side. Without their collective effort, this school year would not have been the success it was. And that has been a year of the KPN English program. See you again next school year.